Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open Tesla Model X doors. Let's start with the front doors. To open a front door from the outside, simply press the wider rear part of the flush handle. It will pivot out, allowing you to grasp it and pull the door open. From the inside, press the button on the door handle or pull the manual release if needed. It's a smooth, intuitive process designed for ease of use. Now for the iconic Falcon wing doors. From the outside, locate the small button on the door handle. A gentle press will activate the automatic opening mechanism, and the door will gracefully lift upwards. Always ensure there's ample overhead and side clearance before opening these unique doors to prevent any obstructions. They are designed to open safely and impressively. Inside the Model X, opening the Falcon wing doors is just as simple. You can press the dedicated button located on the door pillar, or conveniently use the large center touchscreen to control their operation. If you need to manually open a door slightly, perhaps to check for clearance, a gentle pull on the interior handle will release it. It offers great flexibility. Closing the doors is straightforward. For the front doors, simply push them firmly until they latch securely. For the Falcon wing doors, you can press the button on the door pillar again, or use the touchscreen to initiate their automatic closing. They will descend smoothly and safely. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.